Welcome to Livingstone College New Student Orientation Registration. All new students who will be enrolling during the 2020-2021 fall semester must complete the online orientation registration personal info update form. To access the form, go to www.livingstone.edu. At the top of the homepage, click Students. Then JICS. Using your personal ID number and password code that was sent to your email from admissions@livingstone.edu, enter your ID number and password. Click Login. Then Students at the top. Next, on the left-hand side of the screen, click My Courses. Scroll down to the Add Drop area to access the Personal Info Update form. Step 1. Orientation Registration Check-In. Click on the Complete the Personal Info Update form link. Complete the Online Orientation Registration Personal Info Update form. When you have completed updating your information, click the Submit button at the bottom. Proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Financial Aid Review. Click My Account on the right-hand side of the screen to review your financial aid information. Be sure that you have filed your FAFSA for 2020-2021. Be sure to submit any missing documents. If you are missing documents, click Financial Aid Document Tracking. If you have any missing documents, please provide by July 15, 2020. Review your Fall 2020 Financial Aid Award if applicable. Click here to access the financial aid contact information. Proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Class Schedule. Your Learning Community Advisor will enter your preliminary schedule. You will be able to view the schedule on the My Courses menu. Proceed to Step 4. Step 4. Health Records Reminder. Submit all health records by July 30th, 2020. Proceed to Step 5. Before proceeding to Step 5, log off your JICS account. Step 5. Residence Life Housing Application. The recommended browsers for the housing application are Firefox and Google Chrome. Do you plan to live on campus? All new on-campus students must complete the housing application. To access the housing application, return to the home page and click Students, then Residence Life. Scroll to the bottom right-hand side to Applications and click on Housing Application. Before beginning the application, read the Residence Hall Agreement, then answer the following questions. The Residence Hall Agreement Acceptance, the application fee, the application fee confirmation, then click Next. Complete the housing application for new students. Proceed to Step 6. Step 6. Business Office Validation begins. Billing and assessment information will be provided to your email from the Office of Business and Finance on or before August 1st, 2020. Any questions regarding your student financial account may be sent to studentaccounts@livingstone.edu, Mr. Reginald Dickens, rdickens@livingstone.edu, Ms. Tasha Macklin, tmacklin@livingstone.edu, Mrs. Cheryl Flournoy, sflournoy@livingstone.edu, Dr. Tony Baldwin, tbaldwin@livingstone.edu. This completes the orientation registration check-in process. Welcome to Blue Bear Country.